Say no to drugs, say yes to water. Yes, so this video is going to just give you a quick little rundown of my background. I don't really want to tell everyone that they should stop taking prescription drugs, but no, I'm just kidding. Just stop taking prescription drugs if you can, right? When I was in the pharmaceutical industry, I had so many people who came up to me to say that they were able to change their life by drinking more clean water or eating more healthy or exercising more. And at that time, I'm like, no, drugs is the way, drugs is the way. And I learned, right? We're all always growing, right? Well, my passion is about making people more healthy. And I learned from the pharmaceutical industry that this is just another chemical compound. And almost every drug has a side effect, right? I mean, I would have people tell me that either their body got used to it and needed it, and then it's addicted to it, or they had side effects from it. I mean, you've all heard the stories like, if you take this drug, you might get high blood pressure. You take this drug, this might happen to you. Oh my God, I heard so many stories in the pharmaceutical world. So I just want to share my story about drugs and water with you. To begin with, drugs are necessary for some people. I don't want to ever say no, but what I would like to do is try to incite you or try to encourage you to research this for yourself. Because when I researched how I could best impact people like you, I realized it wasn't the drugs. No, it's not prescription drugs. It actually is about encouraging you to take power over your own body. Don't be mindless and just follow what the doctor says. Oh my God, I had so many times when people were telling me, the doctor said I needed to do this. He knows what he's doing. No, man, I'm just telling you. They were taught by a school system which got money from who? The pharmaceutical industry. So of course they're going to talk about prescribing you drugs. So what I find out is that you and I, we need to take control of this body by ourselves. And let's think about this. When I was in the healthcare industry, what did I learn? This is just trillions of cells, right? What does it take for trillions of cells to operate properly? 3 things. It's just 3 things. Air, food, and water, right? And boom, these things fire and we're growing. And so my passion is I really believe in that old line, the secret to living is giving. So if I can give to you today these stories, the background on people who stood up and told me time and time again that actually the pharmaceuticals are not the pathway. I want to share that worked for them, and you can search to see if it can work for you. How do you do that? Well, first of all, research your background, understand what kind of illness you have, and then research and say to yourself, wait again, there are 3 things that make this body work. Am I drinking enough water? Drink half your weight in ounces a day. That's number 1. Your body is one gigantic filter. Your mommy told you the right thing when you were a kid. You are what you eat. Sadhguru says, you eat a banana, in 4 hours, you're that banana. You drink a glass of water, 4 minutes, you're that glass of water. So think about that. Whatever you put in your body becomes you. Thinking that you can just eat McDonald's and all this fast food or food that comes out of plastic containers, guess what? That will affect you in a negative way. Now, what can we do to get that out of you? Well, guess what? Purifying the water to make sure there's no toxins in this water, and then drinking half your weight in ounces a day will flush your stomach, your esophagus, your liver, your kidney, your pancreas, your upper and lower intestine. I mean, we're talking about flushing this body so they can become as healthy as possible, because you are one gigantic filter. So that is my lesson. My lesson is that we're a filter. So be careful what you put in your body. Be careful what you inhale. And if you have any questions on this, please reach out to me. Put a response down, comment below, share this with a friend or family member, and by all means, always feel free to give us a call. Our number here is 847-382-7800, and as you know, my name is Drew, and I'm here to serve you.